I am K. Bhavana. I am studying 10th class A section. Today's our project is Smart Street Light System. Street Smart Light is an automated version of the street light. It will help us to save the energy and its operational cost. Lighting the streets is one of the most expensive things done by the cities. If the street smart lights were installed in the places, it will reduce the cost up to 50%. To make our street smart by using LDR and IR sensors. Light depending resistance has variable resistance which changes with the intensity of the light falling upon it. This project shows the light to detect the vehicle movement on roadways to switch on just a block of road lights in front of it and turn off the trailing lights to save energy. During the night, each one of the lights on expressway turn on for the vehicles. If the loss of power is experienced when there is no vehicle movement, this proposed framework satisfactorily works for energy saving. This is accomplished by detecting smart street light advantages and disadvantages and applications. Advantages are enhanced road safety, increased productivity, reduced crime, sense of community, urban renewal. Disadvantages are it has a limitation of power. Light turns on when shadow fades on LDR. LED is a low voltage device. Applications are lighting scenes, human-centric lighting, vertical forming, lighting street lighting. Where IR sensor measures the flow of vehicles or people in the streets. To using this property, LED and IR sensors, we make our streets light smart and efficient. According to the model we have presented, the lights will be completely turned off during the day and light will glow with more intensity when it senses the flow of people or flow of vehicles in the streets, saving us 50% or more energy. Each of the lights stay in off condition when there is no vehicle in the street. There is another method of operation where instead of turning off the lights, they totally turn off 10% of extreme intensity of light. As the vehicle approaches, it block off. It turns into as the vehicle approaches the street. The method of operation where instead of turning off the lights, there is another method of operation where instead of turning off the lights, they totally stay on 10% of extreme light intensity. As the vehicle approaches the block of road lights, they change into 100% of light intensity, and as the vehicle moves forward by the trailing lights, it returns to 10% of power once more. This is Arduino Uno board, this is breadboard, this is LDR sensor, this is IR sensor. Please subscribe to our channel.